Welcome! In this video, we will teach you how to best install your new tempered glass screen protector. Step 1. Prepare. You should be sure to install your screen protector on a clean surface free of dust and away from any fans or vents. This will help keep particles from sticking to your screen protector before placing it on your phone. Step 2. Clean your screen. After removing your case, use the included alcohol wipe to wipe down your screen, then use the microfiber cloth to dry your screen. Inspect your screen to make sure that it is dry and free of dust or debris. Step 3. Remove the screen protector from the protective backing. Hold the screen protector on the sides and gently peel away the white backing. Don't touch the sticky side, as that will leave fingerprints on the adhesive and keep it from sticking properly. Step 4. Align. While holding the sides of the screen protector, use the top microphone cutout and black edge to properly align the screen protector. Once aligned, gently drop the screen protector onto your screen and allow the adhesive to start sticking. As it sticks, it will look like water spreading out. Step 5. Press it on. Use firm pressure and the microfiber cloth to press out any remaining bubbles. Start from the inside and work your way out. It may take a few minutes for all of the bubbles to disappear. Step 6. Final touches. Once the bubbles are pressed out, your screen protector is attached and you can begin using your phone. Thank you for watching.